Hi guys, I'm John Espesti Electric for San Diego, and there's so many of these beautiful homes in California, and one thing we get is so many customers say that the fan and lighting selections now are just so contemporary. But if you have one of the beautiful older homes like this, it's styled in this more traditional way, and that's an old Emerson Carrera Grande. I think we have the perfect fan for you, and I want to show it to you. San Diego was actually part of the design process with the manufacturer Craftmade and coming up with it. It's called the Santori, and it's made by Craftmade, and it's a perfect replacement for the Emerson Carrera and Carrera Grande series. They're just those older classic style ceiling fans. This one's a darker finish. A little difficult to see the finish, but they make it in the color called espresso. And the espresso is a really beautiful dark bronze finish. And this is a 72 inch. It also comes in a 60. But look at the blades and the symmetry on this fan. The blades are not only long, but they're double thickness. So they're made to match the proportion of the housing. It's a 6-speed DC remote control fan. It comes with a remote control and a wall control, which is what I love about Craftmade. And this really is kind of in that old heritage or lineage of the Casablanca and Emerson ceiling fans that were incredibly high quality and would just last a lifetime. If you have a home like this and you're looking for something less contemporary but still not old school traditional, go to San Diego. They'll make a fan out of you.